Yo, what up? GM, GA, GE, depending on what part of the world you're watching this video from. All right, this is a quick update on the market, a quick update on the BTC market. And the past couple of days have been a sad one for the bulls. It's been a sad one for BTC maximalist. But the truth of the matter is that what is happening now is not different from what the chart has been saying for the past couple of days. If you know what you're doing, if you understand the chart very well, you would agree with me that what is happening now is not different from what the chart has been saying over the past couple of days. When I woke up this morning, these were the two key major levels I marked. These were just the two major important levels I marked. The notion was that if BTC breaks above this 89K, if it breaks and closes above, especially this down-sloping resistance, that it was going to continue to shoot up. But then if it doesn't break it, that the next likely support of BTC is this 85K. And you can see right now that BTC has actually come down to 85K. The question now is what happens next? Will the sell continue, or are we going to get a push back up, or are the bulls going to take over? To answer that question, we need to go to the higher time frame, because right now we're on the 15-minute time frame. We need to zoom out whenever you're confused or whenever you want to get the clear cut direction of the market. The best thing is to zoom out. Now, zooming out, I want us to see this very support level here. This, please follow my mouse. Look at this very support level here that BTC has been, BTC has been respecting it for some time. Now look at every time it came down there, it has always respected it. And right now, BTC is currently leaning on this very support. So what it means is that BTC has actually come down to this very support level. Yeah, BTC has actually come down to this very support level. And I don't really think it is wise for anybody to start being bearish. This is the point where you start closing some of your short positions. I'm not saying that the sell won't continue. Neither am I saying that it's going to be a reversal. But I think the best thing is for us to be realistic and wake up and smell the coffee and trade what the chart is telling us. As it stands now, this is a very key support level for Bitcoin. Anything can happen. So if I was in any trade, if I was selling or anything right now, I might just start closing maybe 70 to 80% of my positions. And of course, adjust the remaining in the remaining positions, I'm going to adjust my stop loss to entry. That would be the smart thing to do at this very point in time, because this is a very crucial level. Now, whenever you're making a decision concerning the market, you don't just judge off of what can do. You look at the market as a whole. Look at the market in the context of what is happening. Now, looking at the context of what is happening, please pay attention on this area I've marked now. You will notice that this as it stands now, that this has been a bearish move all along. Look at the magnitude of these bearish candles. Now use it to compare the size of these bullish candles. You will discover that from all intents and measures that the bears have been the one controlling this market at this point in time. Okay, so this is expected, yeah, because this move was supposed to happen. This move was supposed to usher in, push this market, push BTC down to this very support, which is what has actually happened now. So at this very moment, I think there's going to be a reversal. Yes, I think that the bulls are gonna take a little domination of the market. Yes, it's time for the bulls to make a little move, in the sense that market is expected to push up at this very point in time. From this current level now, bulls are supposed to show themselves more like, okay. So zooming out also to the 1 hour time frame for us to see clearly what I'm talking about. See, this very major level has been respected. This very 85K has been respected. Look at the rejection. Now, we can't really call this a rejection until this candle, this is 1 hour time frame, until the 1 hour time frame has closed very well. From my time check, it's almost 329, roughly 3:30. So in the next 30 minutes, we'll decide, see what is going to happen here. So let's say I'm to take a buy here. This is what I would do. This is how I trade. If I'm to take a buy, as it stands now, let's say I decide to take a buy, I'll be putting my stop loss just a little below this current swing, this current low that we've seen here. Let's just say if I'm to take a buy at this very point, I would want to put my stop loss somewhere around 85.3. Depending on the size of my capital, on the amount I'm using to trade, I might just decide to maybe adjust it lower to 85K. Let me just say 85K, something of that nature. Because what it means is that if market breaks this very 85K now, pretty much it's going lower. Yeah. So it's always good to look at things from two perspectives. Don't just decide off of what you're saying from one candle. Now, if we are also zooming out, as I said, let's go to the daily time frame to also see things in a broader perspective. If we are zooming out to the daily time frame, what is the chart telling us? Of course, we've already seen that this is a very key support level. Now, should BTC break this current support now, where is the next likely support? The next likely support is somewhere around this very region. And if it comes down to this very region, what it means is that this is more of a breakout and a retest. So it broke out from here, so it's coming down to a retest. As it stands now, if BTC should break this current support where it's leaning on, nothing stops BTC from coming down to 65K. Take it from me. You can take it to the bank or take me anywhere. If BTC should break this current 85K support level, yeah, nothing stops it from coming down to 65K. That is the next area of support. But as I said, I like to take things gradually. I like to trade what I'm seeing on the chart and not what I think should happen. I want to trade what I'm seeing here. So at the moment, BTC is currently leaning at a support level, and I expect the bulls to make some moves here, to take some actions here. But should they fail, that means that BTC is heading down to 65,000 United States dollars. All right, guys. So that's just a quick thing. The quick thing I want to share with us this Wednesday afternoon. I hope it's been insightful. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and join our Telegram community of Web3 and cryptocurrency enthusiasts, where we share daily opportunities in the crypto space and the Web3 space. The link is at the description section of this video. Please make sure you subscribe till I come your way again. Answer her. Salute.